and CPA marketing. From earning your first zero to making $1,000 a month, learn the basic of how to create a successful online business and become a successful affiliate marketer completely free with the top 3 free topic sources that can fulfill your target of making money online. So, hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you amazing strategy which is completely free, and that we will share you the top 3 free topic sources and making money online in using CPA marketing or affiliate marketing products. You can easily promote with that and make a huge amount of money from that every single day. The method and strategy what we are releasing in today's video doesn't require any special skills, doesn't require any investment, and doesn't require prior experience actually. So, if you have at least an internet connection, a smartphone or PC or laptop, you are good to go with this strategy. It can help you and make you good money actually. Before going to start the method and strategy, I would just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos and updates that we are providing. And whenever we upload new video, you will be the first person to notified of that. And if you want to have the step-by-step training, full training in affiliate marketing plus CPA marketing, pick up the first link in the description of this video. You will be redirected to a full and comprehensive training from A to Z that you can make money online. So let's begin the strategy. As I told you, this strategy is super powerful for CPA offer and as well as affiliate products. So if you're using CPA offers, join cpagrip.com and grab your CPA link and start promoting. If you are promoting affiliate products, then join clickbank.com and start promoting your products with that. So definitely we will use the ClickBank in today's video as an example. So the first thing is first we need to sign up, but I have already signed up. But if you are not signed up yet, you need to click on the start here button and to sign up for this website. Once you sign up, then you simply log into your account. Make sure you simply go to the marketplace and then you simply select any category you want. Basically, I have just chosen already e-business and e-marketing category right away here to promote these offers. So once you choose e-business and e-marketing category, then you will see all these different offers available right here. You can simply choose one of the offers that suit the best to your traffic source. You can have a better conversion from that. Basically, I will just use one of these right here actually, the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And this is the one powerful in make money online or getting a job, online jobs or remote jobs. This is one of the best offer that we can simply promote and start generating the best amount of money. The gravity is pretty awesome. We got 142 plus is the gravity, means many people are promoting. And the initial conversion rate is also something almost like $70. We can earn again and again. But for the first time, when we convert someone into this link, we will earn $24 actually, which is a pretty awesome money actually, and it is a free money that we can simply get it right away here. So people who click on our link right here basically will be just redirected to this landing page that there will be a couple of questions or a short survey that they need to answer that, and then after that they can access the jobs like this one online social media job that pay $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. So this is a type of job actually that they can access into that and then they can fulfill it that. Whenever they perform the survey, so we can earn money from that right away here. And another great part is right here that they have affiliate page. If you just click on that, so you will be redirected to this page right here that you can require, if you require any assistance right here, you will simply get for the promotion something like here. The landing page, they have the pixel tracking, the email swap, the banners, Facebook and ad images, Pinterest pins, rebrandable reports, other offers, term and condition, demographics, PPC ads, SMS ads, shorts ads, videos, product images. So all these things are available for absolutely free for us that we can simply grab and start promoting right away. and start generating the basic amount of money from that every single day. So here what we need to do right here is we need an image. Actually we need image, something like product image, and also we need the email swipe right here. So I can simply click on the product image, so this page will pop up right here. Okay, so what I need to do right here, I simply just download one of these images right here. So any image you want, for example, so you can simply click on the download button and you will be redirect to another page that you can easily download that basically to your PC, laptop, whatever you're using. So basically you can simply download that. Simply right click on that, save image as on that, and then that will be downloaded to your PC actually. So once you just download it to your PC, the next step for you will be that actually that you will also need more things, something like, for example, the email swipe. So that is also important that we need to have the email swipe right over here as well. So for email swipe, we just need to go and click on the email swipe. So we will be redirected to this page right here. But now it is fine. What we need to do right here, the next step is also that we simply just go to the main offer and click on the promote option right here. And then we use the tracking ID. We use top three traffic. Okay. So for this will be for us that we can understand the tracking ID, that we can understand from where the sales come. So then we simply click on the create hop link. Once we click, the special link will be generated right away here. We simply just copy this link from here and just simply go to another website such as Bitly or TinyURL. I have already signed up for Bitly. You can use without sign up as well. But if you sign up, it will be great. Simply click on the create new option right here. Click on the link option right here and simply paste your link right here and click on the enter button. So that will generate a small unique link, actually a short link basically, which will be this one right here. You simply can copy this and start promoting. Once we do that, the next step is the traffic source. As I promised you that we have top three different traffic sources for absolutely free that we can simply get and start making money from that. So the first traffic source that we are going to talk about in today's video, I will show you right over here. Please just hit the like button as an appreciation for this video and subscribe to the channel if you did not yet subscribe. So the first topic source that we are going to talk about is actually the worldprofit.com. Worldprofit.com is really working since a long time, and it is the oldest website right here, but still that generate the free traffic for us, and that is working perfectly actually with CPA offers and affiliate products. So that's why we focus on this website a lot of time actually, that we can generate the best amount of money from this website right away here. So what we need to do right here, once you come to this website, you can simply scroll down right here, and what you need to do, you will have the option something like this, that get started button. You can simply add your first name, email address, and get started, activate your account, and after that log into your account. Login options will something like this right here, that you simply just add your ID right here, email address, and I'm not a robot, and just use this captcha right over here and then click the login option. Once you log into your account right here, basically it will look something like this. And then after that, you just need to click on the post ads button right over here. Once you click on the post ad button right here, then you will be visited this page right here, and then you will sometime you will have money ads circulating right away here, but you should skip those ads right here. One of the worst thing about this website is actually that they are posting money ads in front of you. So you need to just skip them. Okay, so you simply click on the post ad again right here. Once you do that, then you visit this page right here that you can simply add your post live on this website. The first thing is required title. So what you need to do right here, we simply go to this page right here and we simply just click on one of these right here. Okay, for example, this is, let me just go with the third one, okay? $35 for YouTube video, okay? So this is the title of this. I can simply just copy from here and simply just come back right here and just simply paste right over here. And then I simply go back right here and I need to just copy the whole body from here, okay? okay, the whole email swipe, I can simply just copy, okay, and use as a post right away here, okay. So let me just do that, okay, it is posted. So click here button, you can simply remove, you can simply say, for example, click the link below, something like that, okay, to see if you're qualified or something like this, okay. So I think it is fine now, each and everything is fine right here. The next step for us will be that actually that we can simply add the link right away here, okay. So the link option, we simply go back to Bitly, we simply copy this link from here and simply come back right here to the URL section and simply paste this link right away here. Once you do that, then you should not force add right here, means do not click on that right over here. Still something remaining. You need to scroll down and you need to add this essential part as well right here, like for example, business services and business opportunities right here. Means you at least you can simply select two different categories right over here for having the best performance on your ads that many people will find that. So once you do that, then after that, you simply click on the post ad option right here, and your post will be live on this website. As you can see here, our ad is live on this website and there is nothing for us right here, okay? So it means our ad is already posted on this website. If you want to edit your ad right here, simply go to your profile or your account and you can simply edit that. Otherwise, you can simply click on the post ad and you can generate more ads and it will be live like this. And the first page, when people come and they will simply click on that, when you will generate money from that right away here. So this was the first website. The same strategy you can simply apply on this website, freead1.net. Okay, the main website URL is freead1.net. So then you can simply come to this website as well right here, which is a pre-classified website from all over the world. People are posting contents on this website, and that's really working actually. So you can also generate the best amount of money from this website as well. I mean, just click on the post free ad button right here and just add your title, description, each and everything right here, the category, and you can simply just go one by one right here. It's also simple and easy. You just need to add in the website section actually your uh, uh, your affiliate link actually, and then you can start generating the best amount of money from that as well. And the last and the third traffic source, which is also working properly, is classifiedads.com. Classifiedads.com is actually a free classified website worldwide since a long time, and it is worth it hundred and thousands of dollars actually, which is absolutely free. As you can simply see here, there are the main categories available right here on this website. Also included inside of that. So if you just click on any category right over here, you will see a plenty hundreds and thousands of ads that people are posting, and that is live on this website right over here. So this is also a pre-classified website from the US actually that you can simply get it for absolutely free. So here you can also just do the same strategy very simply actually. You need to sign up first. Once you sign up, you simply click on the post and add for a free button right here, and then you are good to go with the next step right here. It means you just add or select the category right away here, and after that, for example, just select the subcategory, and after that, for example, you can simply just go with the title, description in each and everything, the zip code, for example, what country or what location you want, for example, to be targeting. So you simply select that and you simply add the title, description, link in each and everything. So these are also the simplest way actually that you can simply do that. And I just simply show you all these three different traffic sources, what I'm using. So I suggest that you can also use consistently to make the best amount of money from that. So hope you like that and you are interested with that. Please hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. Subscribe to the channel. And if you want to have the free training, A to Z training, how you can make money with affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, check out the first link in the description of this video. You will be redirected to a full and comprehensive training from A to Z that you can make money online from that. So Thanks. Till next brain video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments. But one thing remember, I would like to mention again that consistency is the key of success to make money online. So be consistent and start generating the best amount of money.